Okay, something joyful, right? Another milestone in terms of tech support skill sets to better serve you as my subscriber. So over here, some time ago, I get myself, right, as a funnel builder, right, when I pivoted from other funnel building platform, very established and in fact very big brand like Big Funnels and Groove Funnels, and I pivoted over to now the system.io. I get myself certified on this platform officially. The certification are provided by the platform, right? And as you can see right here. And as a seasoned funnel builder since 2020, right, pivoting from the offline way of doing my prospecting to build my network marketing business, pivoting over to the digital space since 2020, and subsequently elevating myself to be right coaching fellow network marketers and affiliate marketers, right? And I have selected the system.io and now niching down as a funnel builder, right? I got myself yet another milestone in my certification, in my skill sets, in my technical skill sets in funnel building, right? And right here you can see, right, that I get myself further certified, right? Niche down, right? Certified as a officially funnel builder, right? This official certification provided by system.io, which I strongly advocate you to take a look, to explore this option when it comes to building your funnel. Fundamentally, I always mention these two criteria when you select any digital tools to be used in your business building. Number one is the ease of use, right? It shouldn't be that you struggle too much or too long, right? In order to get yourself that kind of skill sets to stabilize yourself quickly in your business building in selecting that digital tools. So the first consideration should be the ease of the use, right? And looking at system.io, the ease of use definitely is a plus, even for beginners, right? You have zero experience, you will master the basic skills of building at least a lead generation funnel very quickly within the hour. Next would be the cost consideration. That means the cost of sustaining it, right? Especially when you're beginning in the digital space in, trying to create multiple sources of income online, right? You may not have a big budget, right, to invest in your marketing dollars. So if the funnel building tools are too costly for you, for example, the ClickFunnels options, which is a very famous big brand, been around for decades, right? It may not be a good choice, especially for beginners with a small budget. On the other hand, system.io help you to take the stress out about your cost of sustaining it because the monthly subscription, right, offers you only 17 US dollar. I don't think you can find any other platform that are comprehensive, that has everything on one platform at $17 a month, right? Using such a platform to build a business, a digital business ecosystem, system.io is the one for you, fulfilling the ease of using it and as well as the cost of sustaining it. So I hope this overview of my suggestion for you to consider system.io, right, is helpful as you are considering pivoting from the offline to the online in your business building. And to further value add to you, right? So I get myself to be officially certified by the platform in terms of the funnel building, right? As you can see from here, right? The proof of the certifications. So I look forward to serving you especially as my subscriber. And of course, if you want more free insider, right, strategies, do join me in my weekly TikTok live stream whereby I cover a wide scope in this aspect. So I look forward to seeing you and interacting with you in my live stream. Thank you for watching and God bless you.